gas or an electric pressure washer that you're using, here's some tips to get the job done right. Keep your home looking great year-round with a pressure washer. They eliminate dirt and grime that your regular garden hose can't. Choose a nozzle and water pressure depending on the surface you're cleaning. A flat surface accessory can save you time and water while washing decks or patios. Use a cleaning solution to tackle mildew, or you can clean items like mowers or grills. Keep your pressure washer performing at its best.
Welcome to Sunjoe's SPX 3000. With over 3,500 five-star reviews and counting, this is America's #1 best-selling pressure washer. Clean smarter, not harder, with up to 2,030 PSI. That's enough power to clean any surface around your home. And while you're cleaning, you're only using 1.76 gallons of water per minute. That means you're cleaning more while using less water. This gas-free, eco-friendly, powerful universal motor is packed with 1,800 watts. And the 14.5 amp electric motor builds pressure so quickly that as soon as you hit that trigger, you are cleaning. No fumes, no fuss, no mess, and no stress. Our Sunjo is equipped with dual detergent tanks. Our dual 0.9 liter tanks allow you to store 2 different types of detergent. How's that for convenience? You want to power wash the house? Wash your car? Why choose? You can do both with just the simple turn of a dial. Most pressure washer pumps run continuously when the unit is on, doomed to suffer an early end. That's why Sunjo's exclusive total stop system is so critical. It automatically shuts off the pump and power when the trigger is not engaged, thereby saving energy, prolonging pump life, and extending the life of your valuable investment. Every SPX 3000 comes equipped with 5 quick connect spray tips: 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees, and soap. Tackle light, medium, and heavy-duty cleaning tasks, from a punishing pinpoint jet to a powerful fan spray. You name it, you aim it, and grime is gone. Those aren't just words. It's a commitment to clean with a full 2 years of worry-free performance, season after season. Plus, the SPX 3000 is backed by Sunjo's incredible 30-day, no questions asked, money-back guarantee. If you're not convinced that the SPX 3000 is the best pressure washer you've ever used, simply return it for a full refund.
Hi, I'm Ethan with Powerhouse International. Thank you for your business. I'm here to show you how to use the Powerhouse International Platinum Edition pressure washer. Let's get started, but first, remember to wear the proper attire while pressure washing, such as eye protection and boots. To start, you'll need a garden hose, as well as a spigot. To attach this, put it under it and rotate counterclockwise. The next step is taking the other portion of your garden hose and hooking it up to the front of the pressure washer, making sure that there is a gasket on the inside. Then rotate counterclockwise the red portion until it sits tight. Then use your wrench to make sure that it is tight on the back part and rotate clockwise. Next, you'll want to attach the power cord. To do that, you can release it and then latch it from the bottom, taking off the cord. It helps a little if you take off the soap bottle. Pull it over the bottom, release it off the top. You should plug it into an outlet with a GFCI. Next, we can attach the trigger gun to the washer. To do this, all you have to do is look for the tiny hole in the bottom, find the hose on the back of your washer, push down on the red button, insert until you hear a click, and release. To make sure it is connected, you can pull. If it does not come out, it is connected properly. Now, we'll put on the proprietary lamps. To do this, twist the end of the trigger gun. For our first demonstration, we'll use the turbo nozzle. To attach this, you can push down the red button, slide on, and then release the red button. Our next step is to turn on the water fully. So go over to your spigot and turn it all the way to the left. Then, go over to the pressure washer and hold down the trigger until you hear all of the air escape and nothing but water comes out. The turbo nozzle will not spin until you turn the washer on. To fill the soap bottle, all you need to do is rotate the head counterclockwise and pull up. We recommend Dawn because it's environmentally friendly, but you can use almost any cleaning agent. Here I'm going to demonstrate how the turbo nozzle does against this on the concrete. Now we're going to change to the spinning patio cleaner. Push the red button and release. Then grab grab the spinning patio cleaner, press down on the red button, attach and release, and then rotate as needed. As you can see, the spinning patio cleaner makes quick work of any job. Now we're going to use the soap bottle. You can disattach it by pushing the red button and stowing the spinning patio cleaner away. And then taking the soap bottle off by pressing the red button, repressing the red button, reattaching, and letting go of the button. You can also change how much soap you use by the knob on the top. I recommend using the soap bottle before using the spinning patio cleaner for tougher jobs or for cleaning cars. Then to reattach the universal lance, insert it into the trigger gun and rotate the end of the trigger gun clockwise. Next, we'll demonstrate the watering tip, which is the black one. This is used for watering plants, especially the ones that are up high and tough to reach. Next, you can release the black tip by pulling back on the copper sleeve and pulling out the tip and changing it with a new one by pulling back, inserting, and letting go. Now we're going to test the 40-degree nozzle. Next, we're going to move on to the green nozzle, the 25-degree. We're going to change now to the 15-degree tip. Be changing to the 0-degree tip, but fair warning, this can cause damage to people and property. It's that strong. That concludes our demonstration of the new Powerhouse International pressure washer. Thank you for your business.